In this video, we are looking at a couple of IEMs from Shure, SHUOER, Shure. Let's Shure. They have changed the name of their website. Let's Shure, D13 and S12. S12 has been in the market for a while. It has been one of the most popular planar based IEMs in the market, and the other IEM is D13. I'm excited about the D13 because it uses a 13 dynamic driver, and that's really exciting because a 13 DD is not really common when it comes to IEMs, especially IEMs. There are birds to 13 but IEMs rarely have drivers this big. 13 is huge for most of the IEMs. The two boxes, I'm expecting them to have two different IEMs in each box. I haven't seen any unboxing of this. Doesn't mean there aren't any, but I haven't watched any unboxing video of these IEMs, so I'm not aware how these are shipped, what are the content of these things. In any case, let's see what the first one is. Let's Shure anywhere. Okay, so this is the S12, the planar one. There is a Z12 too. Z12 is supposed to be a bit more bassy. This is supposed to be a bit more balanced kind of IM. There is a bit of tone going on in the market that these IEMs are treble heavy. I'll have to check. Planar being treble heavy is not really not a very convenient kind of thing, because I have heard planar headphones and they barely are sibilant or treble heavy or anything like that. There might be some upper mid sharpness, but like the Teen P1 Plus, Teen P1 Plus had a bit of upper upper mid energy, which was kind of off-putting, but that really adds up to the definition and resolution of the IEM. So these are the tips. These are the earpieces. They look nice, silver. I like this color. Let's put them aside. Let's see what else we are getting. So there is a Shure SHUOER. Let's Shure. There's a warranty card, and yeah, this stuff none of our use. Let's have a look at the cable. Reasonably good looking cable, 4.4 so that is a good thing. I do not need to uh, bother about getting an upgrade cable anytime soon, so this is a good thing. 2-pin, that is always welcome. 2-pin is always welcome. More, I prefer 2-pin more than MMCX because they are more stable. This tips looks nice to me, but this I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I'll use this or this. I'll use one of this. No worries about that. So this is it. This is the case. Looks good. Looks good. There are no issues with the stuff here. The case looks nice too. Let's show. It says, yeah, let's show.net. That's nice of them. Let's set these aside. Let's have a look at the DD based IEM. I do not have a lot of space on the table in any case. So this is the D13, 13 DD, and this is what I am excited about. This kind of looks like what Dunu had been doing with some of their IEMs. It's more like the DK 2000 and 3000 series, DK 211, DK 311, 311 Pro. It's designed like that, but unlike Dunu, there is a 2-pin. 2-pin is As I said, I prefer 2-pin more than MMCX. MMCX, some people prefer MMCX. I don't know why, but I always prefer I always prefer 2-pin. So there's a booklet. There was no booklet in that S12. They are okay. So this is kind of a product catalog. So you can see all the IEMs and stuff. So this is for advertisement and stuff. If you are looking for more IEMs from let's sure. So let me set this aside. Similar kind of documentation and stuff, warranty kind of stuff. Same box. So even though same box, you guys can see exactly same box. Let's sure. Do they have the exactly same cable? No. This cable is slightly different. This is a different kind of cable. Looks decent for the price. I'll have to say this looks decent, but I guess the tips are same. Yeah, slightly different. So instead of having off white, there is this smoky kind of ear tip. There is a tuning nozzle, so this one will have tuning nozzles. That's a good thing, nothing wrong with that. Let's have a look at the earpieces now. Let me put this aside. Let me show you guys the cable again. So the 2-pin, as I said, I prefer 2-pin over MMCX 4.4. Cable looks decent. You guys can see 4 core, not very supple, not stiff. So this is a good thing. There is nothing wrong with it. These earpieces looks nice. These earpieces are small, and yeah, I can feel the magnetic forces here. Yeah, they are repelling and should be. Oh, not now they are attracted. You guys can see. Oh, magnet. Okay, that's it. So this is red. Red means right, blue means left. So this is priced at $110, retail at around $100, I believe, and looks really nice, really small, smaller than the S12. You guys can see much smaller than the S12, but this is slightly on the heavier side because of the metal shell. I am kind of feeling that this might have a metallic timber, but that's purely speculation. DD based IMs can sound nothing like that. So no issues there. This is it. This is the unboxing of two of the entry level Shure IEMs. Let's Shure S12 and D13. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.